This is an ergonomic wireless mouse and under $30. Want to know what really looks like and feels like? Keep watching. We do have another package from Amazon. This is a rechargeable mouse. It's the EM11 NL, and this is from ProtoArc. So it has a very unique design and interesting design in my opinion, and hopefully this does not hopefully this actually works well for me, and hopefully it's comfortable for me. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so it opens up quite some packaging to this device, and it's honestly not even expensive, because if you do see a design like this and you see all this packaging, like, you might think is like really expensive. So there's a bunch of cards. Let's see here. Yeah, they just wanted you to have their contact information in case you have any worries, and just more information about like what other devices they they provide, or other devices that they sell. Yeah, a couple more paperwork, and pretty much the mouse itself, which looks like this underneath, has this bright orange keys for back and for forward. And yeah, let's see. Wow, this is actually a weird angle, but I think you might have to get used to it. So, but like the position of the keys are like really easy to reach, because like your pens are pretty much right on them, and has multiple DPI settings for how fast your mouse moves across the screens. So yeah, ProtoArc, it actually feels really nice. It has its soft touch. It feels almost like magnesium, but I'm not sure exactly what this is made of. And I do believe so. This has inbuilt Bluetooth, and it also has a USB dongle in case you need that. It's a 2.4 gigahertz dongle, but you don't need to have that to set it up. It does have an inbuilt Bluetooth as well. And it charges. I'm trying to see where the charging port is now. Okay, there we go. So it charges by Type-C, and which is great, because unfortunately, unlike my keyboard that charges with USB type, is it B, like the old USB, that's definitely not fun, because I have to make sure I don't lose the charger for that. And yeah, just to show you guys real quick what the keyboard is, if you do want to get something like this, it's not like a mechanical keyboard. It has like it's a very slim keyboard, has like slim profile. Like, I do really love this design, and it has like just little travel, really comfortable in my opinion, lightweight. Also has a nice build. You could get this for less than 30 bucks, or maybe 35. I'll add link to this product in the description as well, so as you may see. And this right here is my my desk large mouse pad, or mat, whatever you might like to call it. So yeah, just me setting up my desk here for work at home. And yeah, I'll definitely add the link to get everything you see in this unboxing in the description, so you can get them for yourself. Yeah, just a little bit more. It's just a Type-C cable that you could use to charge this mouse. I definitely don't need this, because I have a ton of Type-C already. And yeah, a bunch of more paperwork that you probably don't need, but suit yourself if you need to read any of these. Of course, go ahead. But yeah, I'm just gonna set this up, connect it via Bluetooth, and like start using it. Hopefully I get used to this. Like, it's almost like a 90-degree angle, but yeah, we'll see. And yeah, thanks for watching. Do leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.